So first we're gonna remove this oil cap right here. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel and pliers. The reason for the microfiber towel is so that it don't scratch the cap. Alright, so after you get the cap loose, you're gonna leave it on just so that nothing falls in there. But you're gonna leave it loose. That way when you're getting ready to drain it, just take it off. Gives it a better airflow for the oil to come out. Alright guys, so now we're gonna get ready to remove the drain plug, which is located at the bottom of the bike. For my drain plug, it's a 17mm socket. So once all the oil is out, just put the plug back on. So now for the fairing parts, you're gonna remove this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and the bolts at the bottom. Alright, and then for this is the final part, just removing the oil filter. I had loosened it earlier because that shit is a bitch to take off. Once you remove the filter, you could go ahead and wipe it down before putting on the new oil filter. Yes. For this part, just get a new oil and rub it around the seal. You don't have to put that much. The only reason why I did that is because I was holding the camera with one hand and trying to do the oil change with the other. Yup. Okay guys, the reason I recommend a K&N oil filter is because it's easier to remove when it comes time to take it off with a socket. When putting back the oil filter, just hand tighten it. Once you tighten it as much as you can, then that's it. You're done. Last but not least, you're going to get your funnel and put it where the oil cap goes that you removed from the beginning of the video. And you're going to get your oil. Alright, to make sure you put enough oil, you're going to look through the bottom clear glass. Make sure that everything is leveled. It has to be at least halfway. And then you're done.